How to use the batch markup function. The batch markup function in Marcus can apply any number of tags to any number of files. In this video, we will apply multiple tags to multiple files. First, compile the table of tags to be applied to your files. To prepare the tag table, open a blank sheet in Excel or a similar program. Write the name of a given tag, the tag type, in the first column, and the expected content in the second column. For the third column, fill in the ID that you created or adopted from other datasets, such as the China Biographical Database, for each tag content. Several terms or individual characters can be grouped under one tag type. The expected content is the search term, which can be a specific term, a character, or a regular expression. The cells in the ID column can be left blank. After the tag table is done, log into Marcus with your account. Go to My Files and select the files that you want to mark up by checking the box on the left side. Click Batch Markup and a window will pop up. Paste the tag table that you prepared into the window. Include all three columns, even if the ID column is blank. However, do not include column headings if your table has them. Click Submit to start the markup process. Open one of the files that you just marked up. You will see that the system has enlarged all target contents in the selected text. Then, click Tag Summary to show a list of all tag types. At this stage, tags are all in gray, both in the selected file and in the list of the tag summary. Close the window and click Tag Management. In the pop-up window, you can assign different colors to each type of tag. Please watch the tutorial How to Manage My Tags to learn how to change colors. Once you have changed the color of a given tag, target contents in the selected file will appear in the same color. You can also revise tag names in English and create corresponding buttons in Chinese or English. After finishing this step, go back to Tag Summary. The system will show the same list, but all tag types will appear in their assigned color. Then, go back to the source text and check whether all target contents are now in the correct color. If so, then the batch markup of the selected files is completed.